Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Qt not sending emails on Gmail, right? First of all, we will head over to our Gmail mobile application here, right? And the email which are queued, you can find it over Outbox, right? And there is only one way to fix it and I will show you, so make sure you follow till the end. On the top left side corner, you will see a menu bar that is a 3 lines. Just click on that, right? After that, scroll to the bottom, just go to the setting. Now choose your email. Now you have to just scroll a little bit down, and after that you have to just find this data usage. Under below you have to search sync Gmail. You have to uncheck this, okay? And now you have to tap on OK. After that you have to restart your phone, okay? And after restarting your phone, make sure you again just go to the Gmail, and here again you have to go to the setting and check this. After check this, just go back and close this and reopen your Gmail mobile application, and that's it. Your email will be sent, right? So this is how you can fix this issue. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, hit the like button, share this video, and see you guys in the next video.